everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. The topic of the day is commemorating 50 years of emergency. To mark the 50th anniversary of the imposition of emergency, a period remembered as one of the darkest chapters in India's democratic history. The Ministry of Culture, in collaboration with Delhi government, organized an event, Samvidan Hatya Divas, in the national capital. The occasion served as a powerful reminder of the importance of safeguarding the values enshrined in the Constitution and reaffirming the nation's commitment to democracy. The event was attended by Union Home Minister and Minister of Cooperation, Shri Amit Shah, as the chief guest. Union Minister of Culture and Tourism, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology, Railways and INB, Shri Ashwin Vaishnav, Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Shri Vinay Kumar Saxena, and Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Srimati Rekha Gupta, among other dignitaries. Remembering the dark days of emergency. In this address, Shri Amit Shah spoke about the significance of remembering the dark days of emergency, not just as a historical episode, but as the lasting lesson in protection of democratic ideals. He noted that it was with that thought that Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi decided to observe 25th June of every year as Samvidan Hatya Divas, a decision formalized through a notification by the Ministry of Home Affairs. The day serves to educate younger generations about the perils of authoritarianism and the need to uphold the spirit of the Constitution. Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Union Minister of Culture and Tourism, reflected on Bharat's long democratic tradition and the grave impact of the emergency. Srimati Rekha Gupta, Chief Minister of Delhi, called for introspection and historical awareness among the citizens. Shri Vinay Kumar Saxena, Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, emphasized the importance of internalizing the values of the Constitution rather than merely displaying them. Shri Ashwin Vaishnav, Union Minister for I&B, spoke about the impact of emergency on the press and civil liberties. Special exhibition, The Three Stages of Indian Democracy. A key highlight of the event was a curated exhibition which offered a thought-provoking journey through the evolution, challenges and strengthening of democratic values in Bharat. The exhibition was divided into three thematic sections. The first one being Bharat, the mother of democracy. This segment showcased India's ancient and enduring legacy of participatory governance, underscoring the deep cultural roots of collective decision making and civic engagement that existed long before modern democratic systems evolved. Dark Days of Democracy, a stark visual documentation of the emergency era. This section highlighted the breakdown of constitutional norms, the suppression of civil liberties, press censorship, and political repression that gripped the nation between 1975 to 1977. Strengthening democracy in India. The final section celebrated the progressive strides India has made in deepening democratic values, highlighting transformative reforms such as the Nari Shakti Vandan Abhiyan, direct benefit transfers, digital grievance, redressal systems, and electoral transparency measures. These initiatives reflect the government's commitment to making democracy more inclusive, responsive, and citizen-centric. Cultural commemoration through theatre and film. A special play titled Samvidan Ki Hatya by the National School of Drama offered a powerful stage depiction of the period, dramatizing the personal struggles, institutional collapse, and the undying spirit of resistance during the 21-month emergency. The performance served as a vivid reminder of the price paid by thousands to defend democratic values. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.